Homestyle sausage gravy and biscuits is easy, affordable, and absolutely delicious. Let me show you how to make it. The gravy is so easy, it really only requires like 3 ingredients, and the only thing you really probably have to buy is the sausage. Now, you can make your own breakfast sausage, but why? When this kind of stuff is so full of flavor and it's just easy to use. And when it comes to the biscuit part, you can go old school and home make these biscuits. It all comes down to gentle mixing, cold butter, and then you get layers of fluffy goodness. Or grab a can from the grocery store. When I go on vacation, this is a staple breakfast because all I really have to buy is this, and it's easy to feed the whole family, fills them up before a day out on the water. We're gonna use the fat that renders from the sausage to create our little roux in the pan and go from there. I always use just the medium to mild heat level in the sausage because I'm usually cooking for kids. But a great option is to grab that spicy pack for extra kick. As you cook it, you just want to continue to crumble it with your spoon. You just want, kind of small pieces of the sausage. You don't really want any big chewy chunks of it. You're going to use the fat that renders off of the sausage, but if it's not enough, you can add butter, which is what I do. Now we're going to sprinkle in our flour and cook that for a couple minutes just to get that starchy taste out, and then we'll add our milk. So easy. Once it bubbles, it gets nice and thick. You wouldn't believe that that one little pack of sausage has turned into this whole pan of deliciousness. We're gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Now that it's rich and creamy, all we have to do is season it up. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. You wanna be careful when it comes to the salt because it's already got a lot of saltiness from that sausage. Then I'm gonna add a kick from a lot of black pepper and a few dashes of some hot sauce. Now, I told you earlier I didn't want to make it super spicy. This is not really gonna up that spice level, but the vinegar in here kind of cuts through that richness, and to me, makes it perfect. Now, let me show you how to serve this up. We got our hot, steamy biscuit going down on the plate. I like to serve it with the insides facing up because to me, it absorbs more of that gravy, and it leaves those little crusty bits still on the outside. I mean, come on. You know that looks good. I don't know if this is just a Southern thing or not, but if you're not from the South and you've never had this, do this today. Whew, my mouth is just like literally salivating. That looks so good. It's the perfect amount of saltiness and you get that bite from the pepper, but the biscuits are so soft and they just like soak up that liquid gold. God, so good. Whether you take the long way or the shortcut when it comes to the biscuits, the gravy is where it's at. It's super easy. I'm telling you, when it comes to biscuits and gravy, you can cook that. It's just so good. I don't know what else to say.